Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Is anyone absent today?
No.
Before we begin, I'd like to ask the class leader to lead the prayer. Good, I can see everyone is here and ready to learn. To start our lesson, I'm going to show you an animation virtual friend, Tiggy. You have to stay active because Tiggy will ask you some questions.
Hi, I'm Tiggy. Let's make fun and easy to understand way. In this triangle, what kind of triangle is this?
That's right.
Yes, that's right. This is a right triangle. What kind of triangle is this?
What about this one? That's right.
Yes, that's right. This is an acute triangle. Well, now try.
So, through today's activity, we're going to learn how to identify and draw the altitude lines of different types of triangles based on their angles.
This class. Do you think this is the ground?
What do you think, everyone?
Yes. Yes. Yes, miss. Yes.
That's great. But how do you make sure the pole is perfectly vertical? Well, if you want to know for sure, we have to.
If we want to know for sure, we have to make sure the angle formed is 90 degrees. So, what tools can we use?
Make sure the angle formed is 90 degrees. So, what tools can we use? Great. Let's measure it using a protractor.
Take a look. How big is the angle formed? That means it's true. The proposed stands perpendicular to the ground. Very good. So today we're going to learn about the altitude of a triangle, which has the same property, a line perpendicular to the base, just like the flagpole. Another well explored is using the guide starboard learning media. Now let's move on to group activities. I will divide you into 4 groups. Each group will receive a student worksheet. Please sit with your group.
Worksheet that has been distributed, I will demonstrate how to use, how to find the altitude of triangle. Today, we will find the altitude of an actual triangle. I will demonstrate with the starboard, and after that, you can answer the worksheet on activity 1. And which vertex do you want to find the altitude of this triangle? This is vertex A. A. This is vertex B, and this is vertex C. Which one do you? Which vertex do you want to find the altitude? Vertex C. Okay, your vertex C. We will. an arc on the line AB like this, and this from vertex C to line AB, must be perpendicular or 19 degrees. Another triangle in vertex C, like this. Okay, any question? Okay, so to find another altitude of an acute triangle, you can work on your worksheet activity 1. After observing the very support demonstration and completing activity 1, we will now continue with activity 2. This time you will explore how to find the altitude of an obtuse triangle using the mini gas support. Before we start, I will hand out one mini gas support to each group. Carefully and make sure the pins don't come up. Okay, now do you still remember how to use it when finding the altitude of an acute triangle? Yes.
Them with a string.
Correct. Now, make an obtuse triangle with one angle greater than 90 degrees. Use a protractor to measure it. Any question?
No, miss. Thank you.
Angle A and C are acute, while angle B is obtuse. Now, find the altitude from point A. Attach the string at point A. Then measure 90 degrees angle to opposite side BC. Ini. Since it doesn't intersect side BC directly, extend side BC on the board like this. From vertex A, draw a perpendicular line to the extension of BC. Once the line is exactly perpendicular, label the intersection point as point A. In the obtuse triangle. Now, continue finding the altitude from point B to side AC, because point B is the obtuse vertex. Its altitude will be inside the triangle, like an acute triangle. Now, continue finding the other altitudes in your groups and complete activity 2 up to the conclusion section. Any question?
No, miss. Thank you.
Good luck.
No, it's not.
Okay, thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, it's time for the presentation. I would like to invite group 2 to present their discussion results. Okay.
explaining the result from activity 1 to the conclusion.
So the altitude from vertex A is located inside the triangle. The altitude from vertex B is located inside the triangle. And the altitude from vertex D is located inside the triangle. All three altitudes of an acute triangle lie inside the triangle. So there are a number of three altitudes in an acute triangle.
So, we got this form, and the altitude from vertex A is located outside of the triangle, and the altitude of vertex B is located inside the triangle, and the altitude of vertex C is located outside the triangle.
Okay, next to the conclusion.
Conclusion. So the altitude of triangle is perpendicular line drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Every triangle has three altitudes. The main property of an altitude is that it forms a right triangle.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. Let's give a round of applause for group 2 and for all of us. Okay, alright. Does any other group have a different answer, or are all results the same? And after all groups have presented their finding about the altitudes in triangles, what conclusion can we draw from today's activity?
From a vertex and perpendicular to the opposite side means
Okay, excellent.
every triangle has three altitudes.
Okay, right. That's correct. Okay.
In an obtuse triangle, some of the altitudes can lie outside the triangle.
Okay, wonderful answer, excellent. You have to strengthen your understanding about the altitudes in triangle. Please watch the following animated video.
The altitude is a line drawn from one vertex of a triangle perpendicular to the opposite side. In one triangle, you can name three altitudes.
And this question will be sent by via WA. We will discuss for the next meeting. Okay. Okay, and don't forget to study the next topic as we will learn about the radius of the triangle. And before we end today's lesson, please class leader read the prayer. Okay, alright students, that's all. Thank you for your cooperation and for your hard work today. And I hope you understand better about the altitude of triangle. See you in the next class, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tampilan kami tadi yang pertama itu untuk animasi. Mungkin yang untuk animasi saya sendiri itu karena saya belum hafal skripnya, jadi mungkin biar saya baca skrip terus, dan juga mungkin yang tadi yang animasinya itu harusnya bisa langsung langsung di kampanye, jangan yang ditempel di PPT-nya biar bisa nanti kayak dijeda dulu. Terus ini sih mungkin kayak kurang interaktif animasinya.
Dari saya sendiri, saya kan belajar itu mungkin lebih ini kebanyakan baca teks, terus waktu menggunakan alat peraganya itu agak riuh gitu loh, agak riuh, terus kayak sebenarnya tuh saya harusnya bisa menjelaskan kayak setiap step saya mengaitkan itunya, itu kan harusnya bisa dijelaskan, cuman lebih itu saya skripnya jadi kayak rasa ini itu sih kurang, mungkin next bisa lebih dihafal lagi sih skripnya, jadi waktu nanti saya memperagakan dengan setiap stepnya itu kelihatan jelas gitu.
Kalau dari saya untuk alat peraganya tadi sempat ini ya ngebelakangi siswa karena saya bingung kan pinnya mau jatuh. Kemudian untuk alurnya sebenarnya udah hampir sesuai dengan skrip, akan tetapi saya kembali lupa skrip. Ada sedikit perubahan juga karena saya bingung ini pas nggak ya ditanyain sekarang, sedangkan ada jeda lama juga, terus kayaknya kurang interaktif ya buat nanya ke siswa, kayak memastikan apakah siswa benar-benar paham sama peraga yang udah dilakukan.
Sekali benar-benar tapi belum interaktif untuk LKPD-nya mungkin karena biaya ya, jadi hanya dilakukan di fotokopi atau di interaktif kemudian untuk gurunya itu kurang interaktif antara siswa dan guru, kemudian agak pelan juga, jadi suaranya kurang terdengar. Untuk
Ini dari aku sendiri ya, briefingnya belum maju ya. Soalnya kalau dari di depan tuh kayak
misalnya yang disuruh tapi pas kemarin terus itu penyampaian tujuan pembelajaran kamu tadi menyampaikan. Nah itu mungkin kayak kan awalnya persepsi terus nyampein tujuan pembelajaran gitu, mungkin bisa dikasih kalimat kayak supaya bisa nyampein kenapa pas rasanya tadi bagus karena mereka sama tulisannya nyambung, jadi siswanya tidak
saya juga tadi agak nanya. Jadi ada nominalitas sama jadi kayak kalau destri aku punya masukan buat kan itu tadi kayak ada video. Jadi biar kesannya mereka cuma mendengarkan, nah itu interaktif sama siswa juga ditambahkan biar nggak cuman tadi ada part-part tertentu aja kan, juga bisa dari awal pas waktu penjelasan. Nah, jadi bisa lebih memahamkan siswa dan juga mengkonsumsi siswa. Kalau yang pas waktu ketiga mungkin sama kayak pas waktu saya kemarin kan juga pernah itu dapat komentar dari etik bahwa muridnya juga bisa sambil suruh menyatat di situ baru mengerjakan. Ilmu itu kan ada kata-katanya kan, jadi itu yang hampir sama persis, tapi tadi ada sedikit tadi kan agak beda makanya sedikit beda.
Baik, kami ucapkan terima kasih buat teman-teman atas saran, koreksi dan masukannya. Nanti kami akan lebih baik lagi untuk ke depan.